Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onye and guys, you're welcome to Onye Beauty Patente B. All right, for those of you who are just coming across my channel, if you're just seeing my channel for the very first time, you're welcome. All right, please leave a like by the end of this video if you love what you're getting, and do not forget to subscribe. All right, turn on your notification bell after subscribing so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, now back to why we are here. We are going to treat Signale Di Obbligo lesson 6. All right, we've done 1 to 5. Now, if you have not seen the lesson 1 to 5, I'd advise you, I recommend that you go back to those videos and watch them. I'll still leave them in the description box in case you need to rewatch them. It's very important that you don't miss any of these lessons. All right, okay, let's jump into why we are here. Now, okay. Number 1 on this particular lesson is catene obbligatorie. Now, what is it? When you see the sign on the road, what does it mean? It says un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Remember that segnale di obbligo is also segnale di prescrizione. They might not ask you in your quiz, is this segnale di obbligo? They might ask you, is this segnale di prescrizione? It is still vero. Consente il transito solo ai veicoli muniti di catene o pneumatici in vanale. Now, it allows the transit only to vehicles that have been equipped with chains, all right, or a snow tire. Whether you have a chain or a snow tire, please. Il segnale si trova su strada che in particolari condizioni sono innevate o ghiacciate e quindi occorre procedere con particolare prudenza. Now, it's a this sign you find out for road that gets snow or ice. So you have to proceed with caution. You find them mostly in this kind of road that has this particular condition where there's a snow or an ice. Now, okay. It continues. It said, non è vero che per segnare la progressiva chilometrica, oltre la quale è obbligatorio l'uso di catene. Now, it is not true that it is signaling to you the kilometer, okay, where you're going to begin to use your catene. It is not signaling the kilometer. Now, it goes ahead and says, o che vieta la circolazione a veicoli muniti di pneumatici. Now, it is not true that on seeing this sign, it forbids you to circulate with vehicle where they equipped with tire. It is funny, but it is not true. Okay, it depends on the type of tire you're using. Okay, let me read, please. I didn't conclude it. Che vieta la circolazione a veicoli muniti di pneumatici con spessore di battistrada inferiore a 3 mm. Okay. Now, what is telling you that it's not true that it's forbid the circulation of vehicles where they equipped with tire, where get the thickness of in battistrada, the thickness of the tread of in tire is less than 3 mm. I brought the photo. Let me see. Okay. Now, this first picture here is someone trying to measure the thickness of entire, the spessore di battistrada, the thickness of the tread of the tire. Now, in order to say this tread of the tire is less than 3 mm. So, you can forbid the circulation for where you see this sign. The first sign, for those of you who skipped that particular part, I'll still go back for you. Now, this sign, it is not true that if your tire, the thickness of the tread of your tire, the spessore di battistrada, it is less than 3 mm, you're forbidden to enter the road where you see this sign. That is what it is telling us here. Now, I showed you a picture of this man trying to measure the thickness of the tire. Now, this one, when you hear of catene, this is catene. You have to change the tire this way, all right? You must use vehicle we get catene, the chain for the tire, or you use a snow tire to enter the road where you see this sign. It is obliged. You're not advised. You are obliged. The next one we're going to be seeing in this particular lesson is percorso pedonale. Now, when you see this sign for road, what does it tell you? What does it mean? It says, è un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Now, segnale di prescrizione is also segnale di obbligo, mind you. indica inizio di un viale e area pedonale destinata a transito di pedoni. Now, this sign tells you the beginning of a path or an area, all right, where only those on foot are allowed to transit, they're allowed to walk, they're allowed to pass. Now, quindi non consente il transito ai veicoli vale 24 ore su 24 ore. Now, it says it does not allow the transit of vehicles, and this sign valid for 24 hours to 24 hours. All right, on seeing this sign, only those on foot is allowed to enter the place you see this sign. Remember, say immediately after the sign, immediately after a sign, that sign begin to take place. Whatever that sign is saying. Non indica un attraversamento pedonale oppure un percorso pedonale, è ciclabile, per questi sono presenti altri segnali. Now, this sign does not tell you of zebra crossing. It still does not tell you of a path that is reserved for those on foot and those where they use bicycle. That one getting on sign. On seeing this sign, only those on foot are allowed to pass or allowed to use the particular place you see this sign. Okay, after you see this sign, you're going to see another sign that tells you the power will follow this sign. It don't they, or should I say, this sign does not valid again. Yeah, I think that's the best to use. After you see this percorso pedonale telling you that only those of foot are allowed to pass, you're going to see this one now with a red barrier, with a red stripe, telling you that, okay, from here, you're not only you where they use food, not get power again, meaning that you're not only the one that will be using this place. Your path, it don't end from here. From here onwards, other users of the road go there. Be careful. Now, fine the percorso pedonale, this tells you the end. It does not valid again. Your percorso, the percorso that was reserved for you, the path reserved for you is no longer valid. È un segnale di prescrizione obbligo. Remember that segnale di obbligo non sti segnale di prescrizione. Indica la fine di un viale all'area pedonale. Now, this tells you the end of a path or an area where those on foot they are using. Destinata a transito di pedoni. Now, it tells you the end of that place where we say only those on foot can transit. Quindi indica che da lì in poi il pedone non circolano più su. Sorry, somebody's trying to call. Okay. So sorry about that. I should have put it in silence. That's a bad one. Okay, back to why we're here. Dice quindi indica che da lì in poi il pedone non circolano più su un percorso riservato. Now it's telling you that from here onwards now, the people on foot, they are not circulating on that path that was initially reserved for them. Non è vero che vieta ai pedoni di attraversare la strada o che indica la fine di un attraversamento pedonale. Now, on seeing this sign, it not tell you say, those on foot cannot use this road. No, it is not telling you that those on foot cannot use this road. And it's not telling you that this is the end of a zebra crossing, where foot pass that attraversamento pedonale, that horizontal line on the road. Okay, we normally call it zebra crossing. It is not telling you that this is the end of zebra crossing. It is not telling you also that from this place onward, it forbids those on foot to use it. No. It just tells you that not only those on foot now, you're going to see other users of the road. All right. So that is what this particular sign is telling you. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please, I always say it in my video, leave it in the comment section, whatever that you're having difficulty as regarding this lesson, this particular lesson. I'll treat it. Okay. Okay, guys, we have come to the end. Like I always say, we draw the curtain here. Okay, see you in the next Signale Di Obbligo. We have other ones to treat under Signale Di Obbligo. By the time we are done with it, we go to the next one. All right, but for now, I'll still be dropping video as regarding to Signale Di Obbligo. All right, so please and please, if you have not on your notification bell, that is why I say it's very important on your notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you follow up, all right? So you don't miss out on any of these videos. I wouldn't mind you sharing with your family and friends. Yes, I mean, why not if you can? It's going to make this video go broad. I need more people to be aware. I need this video to create more awareness. Let us come together and make this work, okay? See you in my next video, guys. Bye.